Here's how to remove reposts on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or Android and you went to a video that you wanted to repost, you can tap on those two arrows at the right, and there you can see repost. So I can see that I've reposted this video. Let's say you hopped out of there and you don't know where it is anymore. You can always go to the entire list of all of those reposts. There are two places to find it. The first place is to tap on those three lines at the top right. And now you'll be able to see your activity. Just tap on that. And there is repost. Just tap on it. And on any of these, I can just tap on it and then just tap on the little circle icon again to remove that repost. However, let's say you don't find it in there. Another place to check is just to go back out here to your profile, and they've just added this new section. You can see if I swipe over, I'll get to my reels, and swipe over again, I'll get to those reposts. Again, all I need to do is tap on it, and I can delete it just by tapping on those two arrows so that it doesn't have a check mark, and then I've deleted that repost.